Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make your Windows 10 look like Windows 11. If you don't want to upgrade to Windows 11 due to its high system requirements or for any other reason, then this video is for you. Let's start. First, we will create a restore point, in case if anything goes wrong, so you can always back up your PC. Select C drive and click on Create. Name it Windows 10 Backup. Wait till it finishes. Download these files from the video's description. We will save the optional folder for later, and it is up to you if you want to install the optional customization. Open the Files folder and you will see 7 folders which will make our Windows 10 look like Windows 11. We will install them one by one. First, open Theme Patcher. Install the program. Restart your PC after the program installs. Next, go to Themes folder and copy all files. Go to C drive, then Windows and press R on your keyboard to find recourses. Go to Themes folder and paste the files you just copied. Click. Do this for all current items, then continue. Next, go to Settings and click on Personalization. Click on Themes, scroll down and click on 11 Light. Now, go to Windows 11 Wallpapers. Right-click on the first wallpaper and click Set as Desktop Background. Next, go to 7 TSB folder and open the program. Click Yes. Now add a custom pack. Go to Files, then 7 TSP and click the zip file. Click Start Patching. Click Yes. It will take some time, around 15 to 20 minutes, so wait patiently. After it's done, click Yes to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you will see the system has been patched message. As you can see, the icons have been changed to Windows 11, and the File Explorer as well. Now click on Old New Explorer folder and open the application. Copy my settings and click Install. Now, we need to install the Start 11 software. Go to your browser and type Start 11 software. Click on the first link. Click on Try Free to download it. After it finishes, click Open File. Install the program by agreeing to their terms and license agreement. Click on Start 30 Days Trial and enter your Gmail. A confirmation code will be sent to your email. Check your inbox and it will look like this. You just have to click on Activate. 30 days trial and done. Click on Finish to close this window. Choose Center Align. Click on Windows 11 Style. Go to Configure menu, then Customize menu visual appearance. Copy my settings. Click on Pick Image and choose Windows 11 logo. Go to Windows 11 SE Insider and choose Windows 11 logo. You can find the SE Insider folder in my Packs optional folder. You can also add blur to your taskbar if you want it. We are done making changes. Now you can close the application. Now for the last step, go to Files folder and click on Curtains, then install the application inside the folder. Agree to the license agreement and click Next. Wait until the program installs. This app has the same setup as the Start 11 software. Do the same thing as Start 11 software to activate this program. After activating, close the application and go to Curtains folder and double-click 11 curtain. Click on 11 to apply Windows 11 curtain and click on No Thanks. Close all my browsers for me. We are done applying Windows 11 curtain. Now close the application. Now, we will apply optional features. Open optional folder and click on Blur Mica, then release and copy all files from inside. Go to C drive, then Program Files. Paste all the copied files here. Click Continue. Open Register File and click OK. This will apply a cool blur effect on your File Explorer. Now for the final step, go to Microsoft Store and type Translucent TB and hit Get. Click on Open. This will give your taskbar a glassy finish. Now, we are all done. Now, let's take a look at Restore Point if anything is broken or you want to make your Windows back to where it was. Search Restore Point on Windows search bar. Click on System Restore. Next, select Windows 10 backup that we created. Click Next and then Finish. Clicking on Yes will restore your system and make your PC go back to Windows 10, like we never installed any tweaks. That's pretty much it to how to make your Windows 10 look like 11. Let me know in the comments if you want a Windows password bypass or disabling Windows telemetry completely video next time. Until then, goodbye.